Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Lenovo Legion laptop, beginner guide step by step clearly. Start by unboxing your Lenovo Legion laptop. Carefully remove the laptop from the packaging. Place the laptop on a flat, stable surface. Connect the power adapter to the laptop. Plug the power adapter into a wall outlet. Press the power button located on the laptop. Wait for the laptop to boot up. Select your preferred language from the setup screen. Click Next to proceed. Connect to your Wi-Fi network by selecting it from the list. Enter the Wi-Fi password and click Connect. Once connected, click Next to continue. Sign in with your Microsoft account or select Setup Offline for a local account. If you choose to sign in with a Microsoft account, enter your email and password. Follow any prompts to verify your identity if requested. Agree to the terms and conditions by clicking on Accept. Customize your privacy settings according to your preferences. You will then see the Get Going Fast screen. Click Next. Set up a PIN for quicker access to your laptop. Complete the setup process by clicking Next. Your Lenovo Legion laptop will finalize the installation. Once setup is complete, you'll reach the desktop. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. Locate and open the Windows Update settings. Check for updates to ensure your laptop is running the latest software. Install any pending updates. Explore the Lenovo Vantage application for troubleshooting and system optimization tools. Customize your device settings to suit your preferences. Consider adjusting the display, sound, and keyboard settings as needed. Familiarize yourself with pre-installed software and features. Launch the Lenovo Support app for drivers and assistants. Your Lenovo Legion laptop is now ready for use. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.